And guys, look at this. This caught my attention. Okay guys, the light is really good here. Isn't it nice? Oh, Hannah found the cat bag as well.
I think it's super cute, and you are obsessed with white.
I am. So Hannah, I would say let's twin. Imagine this bag with this dress. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're on our way to Harrods. It's just down the street there. It's another beautiful spring day and we're going to meet Hannah. By the way, I'm just walking past Ermanno Cervino and I really want to have a look at one of their new spring summer bags because you guys know how much I love mine from last year and how many compliments I got on my beach bag. So stunning. So we were supposed to have, oh by the way, you know, white, my addiction to white and cream. So we were supposed to have a special guest on today, but that has to wait a little bit longer. It had to get postponed for a couple of weeks, but hopefully it's gonna happen soon. Oh guys, look at all these gorgeous flowers. Such a nice day. Can anybody tell me what's happening at Coach? And just a very quick OOTD because you guys know how much I love my cozy sweater dresses, and is this not a match made in heaven? And I found Hannah and she's absolutely incredible. She got us a little present. That's a massive bag that
I know, they
you.
didn't have smaller ones, so I was like, come on, it's just a little thing.
Should we do an unboxing quickly?
Yeah, it's a baby bunny, see, it's like a little drawer.
Oh.
I know it's probably for kids, right?
Oh no, oh my god!
But it's
a plushie!
But we know Romina has got and I couldn't resist. I thought it's so cute.
And it has a purple bow. Oh my god, Hannah, I love that.
Super cute. And then it's got its own little box.
Crumble and Crumble are gonna love this. Thank you so much.
Your husband may not thank me for more stuff.
You know. And we got chocolates.
A few chocolates for Easter. And then a little Murakami flower.
Cute. And Louis Vuitton First, guys. Does this not remind us of Schiaparelli? They always do have amazing displays here. Look at this massive LV trunk. Ooh, look at this special new small capucine. Now we get a glimpse of this lizard, iridescent oil slick lizard bag. Gorgeous. I wouldn't say no to a crocodile capucine. And a classic trunk. And I have to show you these two as well. Quick look at Hermès, guys. Usually I have a lot of really nice bags on display. Today, to be honest, it's only these two caddies. Look at that gorgeous smooth box carved leather. Stunning. And we have an Epsom Kelly here as well. And Hannah is filming too, guys, and look what I just spotted. All these gorgeous Rodeo bag charms. Bottega, guys. So this bag really reminds me of what Balenciaga has done, and it's just like a slouchy Kelly as well, right? I like the parachute bags, to be honest, and these look really cozy as well. I really want another mini Jodie. I just don't know what color. And I thought, let's head to Fendi because that's your favorite brand. I wouldn't say no to a lizard Fendi Peekaboo either. I think I prefer the white version. Oh wow, okay. And this is a crocodile. This is more like an artwork now. Look at this. And the pineapple bag charms are coming back. Okay, they do have really beautiful models at the moment. Look at this one. We have seen this in Selfridges before. This is one of their 100 years, I think, anniversary bags. And yay, they remind me of like Wild Wild West Red Dead Redemption Fendi Peekaboos. Look at this gorgeous Peekaboo soft. Wow.
Goodness me,
yeah. So this is alligator, and they used a special technique to make it basically look like suede. Okay guys, so I thought I'm gonna show you this gorgeous bag. To be honest, for me it's too heavy. I wish it would come like in a smaller size, but it's gorgeous. Look at these. You guys know you can get me with flowers. They are super intricate and cute. I really like the style that they went for. Can't believe they brought the pineapples back. I love them. I still love the mini peekaboos.
Really cute, those ones.
Yeah, I had.
Also the one with the fringe.
Oh yes, yeah. Ooh, look at those guys.
This one has got. This one, you guys. It's got like.
Yeah.
Real peekaboos.
So I once had this in pink, if you can remember. I sold it to one of my subscribers actually. But it's such a nice bag. Sometimes I miss it. Maybe I should get one again.
What do I think of this one? I think it's absolutely stunning.
It is.
I mean, this is like the perfect summer bag.
Yes. Hi guys. So look at this. Of course, my addiction to cream and white bags. I just can't get enough of them. I just don't know which one I want to get next. Okay guys, let me know which one you prefer. This that we tried on or Hannah's pick. Okay guys, I had to show you this one. Because you guys know I'm a gamer at heart, you know, I love playing Red Dead Redemption 2, favorite game in the world, and this gives me like, you know, if I was a character in Red Dead Redemption with a keen sense of fashion, I would go for this. So the monsters are coming back as well. You guys know my pink one. I love it. Aww. Okay guys, so we had the most lovely encounter with Taylor from Fendi, Harrods ground floor. If you need anything from Fendi, definitely make sure to go to her. Quick look at Gucci, guys. Look at this gold lizard. Wow. Celine made a bag in this style as well. Guys, last time we tried on the white Gucci bag. They made the same kind of style in purple in the most gorgeous lilac color. And just look at this handle. I absolutely love it. Look at this. It really feels like spring. And just look at these colors. And guys, quick stop at Dior because look at this gorgeous butterfly charm. And let me quickly show you this one. Wow guys, so these are new exotic designs we haven't seen yet. So look at these. Super interesting. The sparkle one. Guys, look at this. That's the same kind of style. I don't know why, I really like it. Yes, guys. This caught my attention. Wow. Isn't it stunning? And it has like velvety handles. Wow. I really like it. Ever since I tried these Loewe bags on Tenerife. I'm still thinking about them. They have an amazing price. I think like £400 or something like this.
Yes, but it's mean a cat.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Guys, look at the Alessandro Michele cat. I think we have to try this baby on. Guys, because I walked past the Valentino and you guys know I'm still very sad that Alessandro Michele left Gucci because that was a match made in heaven for me. Now we really don't know what's going to happen with Gucci next, but he went to Valentino, so I'm super excited to see all of, you know, his newest designs. I can remember this cat from the runway. And I was like, I can't wait to see it in the shops. It's around £4,000, she said. It's 3D printed. Hi! What do we think?
Magnet.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Oh, they don't really nice.
Okay guys, the light is really good here, so I thought, let me show you the eyes. See the reflection? It's really, really cute. And guys, let me show you something else. They made the Le Chat de Maison, that's what it's called, the cat of the house, de Valentino. They made a little back charm as well. This is £500 if you want a little bit of Alessandro Michele, but you don't want to spend 4K on the cat clutch bag. Oh, cute, no? Guys, this is the classic Loco Valentino bag. She's just told me, and this is Alessandro Michele. I mean, you can see it. I love all the floral stuff that he's coming out with, and wow, They have a lot more that I want to show you. Here we got the perfect beach bag. I don't need to keep looking anymore. Look at this gorgeous raffia flower bag.
This one comes in 3 different colors.
Yeah, I love the crystals on the logo.
This is the new V logo, and
Yeah.
you can see with more details here.
Yeah.
We use a new technique called microfusion technique.
Yeah.
And you can see more details, and they are all Swarovski. It's heavy. It's because it's come with the chain inside.
Okay.
So you take this out.
But the beads by itself is not too heavy.
To me, I
Yeah.
think it's fine.
Guys, I think we saw this one in New York, but you guys know me, I can never get enough of beaded flower bags, so I thought I'd show you. Look at this. What do we think about the peach? It looks very natural, I think. So, I mean, it's time for a Valentino bag at some point. This is the ice green, the other one was the peach lizard. Really stunning. Isn't it nice? Oh, Hannah found the cat bag as well. Isn't it gorgeous? And did you see you can actually get a little bag charm? I know! Guys, this is the little more understated tote. I like suede. I got a little suede Bottega lookalike bag. I'll show you that soon. Maybe when I'm home. And I love that thing. So I wouldn't say no to a suede designer bag either. To be honest, I have one from Gucci, the Raja tote. It's like this kind of color. Maybe I should bring that out more often as well. Guys, I was waiting for Dina to tell me that this came in because what do we think? So far they only made it in the larger size and in the small Serpenti Forever shoulder bag. But this is just gorgeous and it fulfills exactly what I need, I think. Look at the gold plated scales, the onyx eyes. So stunning. What do we think? Is this the next one? Hannah? Hannah?
Yeah.
What do we think?
I think it's super cute, and you are obsessed with white.
Look at what else they got on display. So, always worth having a look. Yeah, the SA is just telling us that he's in heaven here. I can understand why. Okay guys, so we're on our way up to the Gucci kids section because I wanted to have another look at the little Gucci kids tote. And I swear I am very, very unlucky. When I wanted to get it a couple days ago, it was like £480, which I thought, wow, this is the price of like a small leather good. And what an amazing price for a Gucci bag, you know. And by the way, look at this. I love the Egyptian escalators. And they upped the price now to $610. So within a couple of days they had a price increase. How unlucky am I? Here we are again in the kids section, and so many of you told me in my last vlog that you really, really liked it as well and that you could understand my obsession. And imagine this bag with a little Labubu hanging off it. How cute would that be? I did still have a lot of Harrods credit on my Harrods card actually, so I thought, you know, I can maybe get this bag. But do I need it? Like, would I wear it? Would I put my stuff in at home and decide to grab it and go? Would I wear it? That's the question, I think. You have had a look as well?
Yeah, because yours has got white trim on it.
Yes.
That's not quite me, but...
And you found this little cat bag. Let's have a... Wow, so cute as well. So, Hannah, I would say let's twin.
But am I too old to wear kids'
No! And that's what I said. Like, it's such a nice size for every day. It's just a grab-and-go bag.
Yeah, it's kind of cute.
It's so cute. It is so cute, guys. I mean, can we just have a look? Please vote, help us to make a decision. Guys, what can I do? I'm just standing here. Hannah's looking at her bag. I'm looking at mine. Ay. Do we like it? I really, really, really do. Oh, and by the way, this is the bag. It says, today's jelly. And the front says, I'm cute. Okay guys,
Oh my God,
I just told Hannah they have Labubus here, well the Labubu wall. Let me show you, and I wanted to get her reaction. Look at her. Look at this, guys. I've shown you in my last vlog already, but how adorable, and they all look slightly different. They all look, they're up to something, they all look cheeky. And one of my subscribers, Finley, hi, if you're watching, she said that they actually look hungry all the time, and I totally agree. The macarons are my favorites. They are so soft. And Hannah?
Yes.
That's the reason why we can't get Labubus. Imagine how many.
Because they're all sitting on the wall.
Hundreds. And we just needed a little break for a moment, guys. Okay guys, so we're just on our way over to Ermanno Cervino, where we started our day basically, because I walked past and I was like, I want to have a look at the bag with Hannah later.
And I've never been to that shop, so that'll be exciting.
Yeah, because there's one bag I saw on the website I really want to have a look at. Okay guys, we're gonna head over and look at this. Okay guys, here it is. This is basically the smaller version of my large beach bag that I got last year. Imagine this bag with this dress. Hannah?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's a lot smaller than the big heavy beach bag, you know. What do we think about it? I love it. It's the same raffia material, just in white. Quotes, please. This is the tiny one. I absolutely like the size. I wish it had gold hardware though. This is like the perfect little summer companion. And it's the same raffia material. And I love the quality. Just look at the leather, look at the stitching. Hannah's trying on the magot in leather. She's falling in love with them too. Yeah, it's just such a nice day, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hannah, what was your highlight from today?
I think it's the cat bag from Valentino.
Well, to be honest, the cat bag, yeah, the cat clutch, I loved it as well, simply because it's Alessandro Michele. But I also still love the Gucci cat bag so much.
Yes, it's all about the cats today, I think.
Yeah. Okay guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same
luxury disease.
Yes, we do. Make sure to go over to Hannah's channel, watch
Thank
her
you,
part
guys.
as well, and I see you soon. Bye! And I thought I'd show you this cookie.